Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to recover deleted projects in your Capcut. So this is very important, so make sure whenever you are using a Capcut, make sure you sign in into your account, because if you sign in then all the data will be saved on the cloud. But this is very risky that if you don't sign in, then maybe in the future whenever you just go and delete your project, for example I can just go and click on delete here, it will get deleted. But still we have the backup. Capcut always give you backup. You can see this trash icon, so this trash will help you to recover all the deleted projects you have done over the Capcut. So it says that if you delete any of the project, it will keep it in the trash section for the next 30 days, right? So make sure whenever and by the way, to recover it, I can just go and click on here, and this is a restore icon, and as you can see that project got restored. So this is how you can do it, but I will advise you that go in and sign in into your account. That's it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.